Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And look with me what I got today in the shop. This is 2003 Toyota Echo. And obviously this is very basic and simple little car from Toyota. It came for the oil change, but I will be also performing some inspections on it. Let me show you a little bit how it looks inside, right? Extremely simple car. Let's go look under the hood. And here you can nicely see that little 1.5 liter engine, right? The model of this one is 1NZFE. I started today basically with test driving, getting the parts for it, and I was surprised how peppy it is, right? If you step on it, it really goes. Obviously that will be due to its very lightweight body, but even that little 1.5 liter can move it. It was kind of fun. So if you are interested to see some of those inspections and maintenance services, make absolutely sure you are subscribed and you don't miss any of those. Thanks for watching today and have a wonderful day, my friend.